Want an easy, affordable way to give your space a fresh new look? Are you tired of staring at the same old boring furniture or outdated countertops? Self-stick wrapping paper might just become your next DIY obsession. It's a game changer for quick and impactful home makeovers. The possibilities are endless, and the transformation can be truly remarkable. Let me show you how a plain, boring countertop can turn into something stylish in just a few minutes. We're talking about a complete transformation that can brighten up your entire kitchen. First, let's talk about where you can use this stuff. You might be surprised at just how versatile self-stick paper can be. Countertops, cabinet doors, nightstands, bookshelves, even your old drawers. Give them a new lease on life with a stylish pattern or color. Basically, any flat surface begging for a makeover. Think desks, tables, even headboards. It's also a lifesaver for tying together mismatched furniture, so your whole space feels more coordinated and put together. Create a cohesive look without having to buy all new furniture. But before you dive in, here are a few tips to make sure you get the best results. These simple steps can make all the difference in achieving a professional-looking finish. Surface prep is essential. Always start by cleaning the area. Wipe away dust, grease, anything that could mess up the stick. A clean surface ensures the adhesive bonds properly. If you spot any nicks or dents, fill them with a bit of wood filler and let it dry. This will create a smooth, even surface for the paper to adhere to. Got a rough patch? Cover it with some sellotape to keep things smooth. This is especially helpful for surfaces that are slightly textured or uneven. Trust me, this extra step stops air bubbles and makes everything stick better, even on the sides. A smooth surface is key to a professional-looking result. If you're brand new to this, start simple. Try out a small, flat surface first. It's a great way to build your confidence. A small project, like a drawer front, is perfect for practicing your technique. Once you get the hang of it, you can tackle trickier spots like curved edges or corners. These areas require a bit more finesse, but with practice, you'll master them. Now let's talk about bubbles. If you see one and it just won't smooth out, don't stress. Bubbles are a common issue, but they're easily fixable. Gently peel back the paper and lay it down again. Sometimes a quick reset is all you need for a flawless finish. This allows you to reposition the paper and eliminate the trapped air. And here's a biggie. Use good quality wrapping paper. Don't skimp on this step. Cheap or flimsy paper wrinkles easily, and that makes the job way tougher. Invest in something sturdy, and you'll thank yourself later. The thicker paper is more forgiving and easier to work with. Most importantly, take your time. Patience really is key. Don't rush the process. Rushing could mean crooked lines, folds, or wasted material. Give yourself a little grace and go slow for the best results. Accuracy and attention to detail are crucial for a professional outcome. Here's why it's worth it. Self-stick wrapping paper is affordable, renter-friendly, and you don't need any heavy tools. It's a budget-friendly way to transform your space without making permanent changes. It's a simple way to add style without spending a fortune or making permanent changes. Perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change up their decor frequently. So, with the right prep, a little patience, and some quality materials, self-stick wrapping paper can totally transform your space. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Give it a try, and subscribe for more creative DIY solutions. We're always sharing new and exciting ways to transform your home on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more creative DIY ideas.